Hello friends, today I am going to say information about trains. A train is a series of wagons or carriages. A train is drawn by an engine. An engine driver operates the train. A train runs on the rail tracks. A train stops at different railway stations. People travel from one place to another in passenger train. Freight trains carry cargo. Some trains are like toy trains that are great fun to travel in. The bullet train is the fastest train in the world. Trains can travel underground or bridges, and there is even one train that goes under the sea. There are lots of books like mine. Don't forget to subscribe Jithsha Vlogs. Thank you. See you soon in the next video. Bye.